Let's start. Sir, I have many other suggestions to make. I will make them point by point rather than speak at any length in the matter. Stop para. Apart from this long title, I would like very strongly to urge that we should really think in terms of going in for what I would call a two-tier system of management and control instead of one-tier system which is now advocated. That is why I am recommending very strongly the need for a select committee. These are suggestions which deserve in-depth consideration. What we are trying to do is to provide for a board of governors, which is not enough. I think what we need is a two-tier arrangement in which we could have a board of governors and a board of management. Maybe we could have one institution which could be a non-management kind of a body at the top, and you could have a management boards under it. In other words, you could have a board of governors, or shall we call it a board of trustees. I think trustee is a much better expression than governor. We could have a board of trustees which would uphold this character as a trust, which would function as its conscience in upholding the spirit of the character. Therefore, we could have a board of trustees at the top which would be a non-management organization, and under that we could have a board of management. Para. The next thing I would like to suggest is to add a new objective which is now missing. That objective would be to uphold the fraternity and the secular idea and promote the spirit of truth and inquiry among all sections of the people. I think this is very necessary because we must try and promote this kind of a fraternity and also promote the spirit of truth and inquiry which is needed. Para. The Board of Governors as it stands today has certain structural defects at the moment. What we have done is to have provided for an executive governor, and we have also provided for a governor for personnel and another governor for finance. Now both these governors will be functioning under the executive governor, but they will also be members of the board of governors. Therein lie the seeds of conflict. Either the executive governor is going to run the Prasar Bharati or he is not. If he is going to have these two governors as members of the board of governors, you have a problem there. Stop. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Mera Bharat.